Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken madras from scratch. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe and like. Thanks. To make my base free madras, you will need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a 2-inch piece of cassia bark or cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom pods, 1 black cardamom pod, 1 large red or white onion blended or grated very fine, 2 sliced green chillies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste mixed with 6 tablespoons of water, half a tablespoon of fenugreek leaves or kasoori methi, 2 teaspoons of hot chili powder and mix powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon each of garam masala and cumin powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon each of turmeric and salt, 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu, 250 milliliters of hot water, and 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander. Heat a pan on medium heat and add the oil. When hot, add the cassia bark, green cardamoms, and black cardamom. Stir through for 30 seconds until they start to sizzle. The black cardamom will add a fantastic smoky flavour to the dish. Add in the onion, stir through and fry gently until the onions soften and begin to slightly brown and caramelise. This may take around 7 minutes if you've chopped or grated your onions finely, or a couple if you've blended your onions in a food processor first. Once the strong smell from the onions has faded, add in the fresh chillies as well as the ginger and garlic paste. Stir through and fry for 1 minute until the bitter smell from the garlic disappears. Now add in the fenugreek and tomato puree and mix through. I always water down the tomato puree about 3 to 1 as it makes it easier to mix in and keeps the spices you are about to add from drying out. Cook out for a minute to reduce the bitterness of the tomatoes. Add in the mix powder, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder, turmeric and salt and mix well. Add a splash of hot water to loosen things up if required. Stir in and allow to fry for a few minutes, stirring every now and then to allow the spices to infuse but not burn. Add your choice of protein. As I'm making the whole dish from scratch, I'm using raw chicken. Coat it well in the madras paste to infuse the flavours. If you are using pre-cooked meat, you can add it later on. Turn up the heat to max and add in half of the hot water and mix through well. Allow to reduce for a couple of minutes. Stir, then add in the tamarind paste, then the rest of the hot water. Stir and remove the cassia bark and all 3 coriander pods, then allow to reduce for a few minutes without stirring. Stir in the caramelisation from around the sides of the pan and add in the fresh chopped coriander and stir through and allow to infuse. Allow to reduce until the sauce is the consistency you require and the meat is cooked through. You only need to stir if it looks like it's going to stick or burn. That's it. Serve and enjoy. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and loads more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.